Hello students, welcome to Alphos e-learning. Again, we are coming back our chapter that is reflection of light from spherical mirrors. And again, we are going to discuss some problems related to spherical mirrors. So here, our first problem. Already we finished 5 problems. And we are moving on 6th one, and previously we discussed 5 problems over these spherical mirrors. Now it is 6th one. So in this case, a concave mirror is given and an object is keeping at certain distance from the concave mirror and its height is 20 centimeters and its corresponding image, real image, because we are obtaining this image on the screen which is keeping at a distance of 5 meters. This is given in the data. Then the question is, find the distance of object, and the second one is find the focal length of the given concave mirror. Once again I repeat. So there is a concave mirror, and in front of this one a high object of 20 centimeters height and keeping at a distance of u, and its corresponding image formed on the screen which is keeping at a distance of 5 meters from the mirror. Then find the distance where the object is placed, and the second one, what is the focal length of the given concave mirror. Okay. Now, here, in order to get u, what are the data given in this? H0 and Hi both are given, and the image distance indirectly given because its corresponding image is formed on the screen. This is total screen on which its corresponding image is formed. So its height is also given. Height of the image is 50 centimeters. Height of the object is 20 centimeters mentioned. But we have to find the object distance in this case first. Now, let us move on the fundamental formula. Magnification is equal to minus V by U for the spherical mirrors. Okay. Now, magnification is Hi by H0 is equal to minus V. V is the image distance. Therefore, here V value is given in 5 meters. Convert that into centimeters. 500 centimeters. Okay. Now we have to take the sign convention of this V. So question is, find the distance of the object. Find the distance of the object from the concave mirror. This is question, first question. Now, note, very important note, while solving any problem in this part, in spherical mirror, especially when using the mirror formula or the magnification formula and whatnot, any kind of equation we are going to use, and in which first, while solving the problems, we should use the sign convention. Okay. While we are applying the sign convention, so keep in your mind, whatever the quantity you are going to estimate or calculate or asked in the question, and don't use the sign convention for that quantity, and rest of the quantities are to be used as sign conventions. So in this case, we are going to find u. Don't use sign convention for u. Therefore, we don't know, we are going to find u value. Remaining all are given. H0 is equal to H0 above the principal axis plus 20 centimeters, sign convention. Hi is minus 50 centimeters. Here put the values. So in this case, Hi by H0 is equal to minus V. This is minus 500 by U. And here it is Hi minus 50 by plus 20 is equal to minus or minus plus 500 by u. So 0, 0 gets cancelled, 500. So by simplifying this, u is equal to minus 200 centimeters or u is equal to minus 2 meters. This is the distance of object from the concave mirror. So at this distance, object is placed, the corresponding image formed on the screen, which is keeping at a distance of 5 meters from the mirror. So first question is over. Again, I am repeating the same. Wherever you are using the mirror formula or magnification formula or any kind of equation in this part, while solving the problems using the sign convention, but whatever the quantity you are going to find, that quantity for which sign convention is not to be used, and rest of the quantities, for them we can use the sign convention. So this is very important rule. So you should carry this till at the end of the chapter while solving the problems. Okay? Then object distance is calculated over. Then go for focal length. Once finding this object distance, we can easily find the focal length. And focal length formula we know, F is equal to uv by u plus v. Yes, we are going to find the focal length, no need to use the sign convention for it. The rest of the quantities, object distance, image distance, all are, so their corresponding signs are to be used. So in this case, F is equal to object distance, image distance minus 500, object is minus 200 centimeters. Therefore, minus 200 into minus 500 by minus 200 minus 500. Okay, therefore F is equal to minus or minus plus, so this is 10 into 0 0 0 0 by, so this gives us minus 700. 2 zeros gets cancelled, you will get minus 1000 by 7 centimeters. So this is the focal length of the given concave mirror. So this is the problem, it's relevant whatever the questions was asked, then those questions corresponding, their values are calculated. So object distance is obtained, that is 200 centimeters, and corresponding focal length is calculated, which is minus 1000 by 7 centimeters. Okay, next go for another problem. Say here a convex mirror, say not in terms of convex mirror, in this case it is given a convex, that is a ball bearing. A ball bearing is given here, a ball bearing is given. So this ball bearing having a diameter of 0.4 centimeters, it is 2r equal to diameter in the sense double that of radius, therefore its diameter is given 0.4 centimeters, and a flame, candle flame, which is having a height of 1.6 centimeters and keeping at a distance of 20 centimeters from this ball bearing. So what is the distance of image? Means at what distance the image of this flame, candle flame, is formed. And the second one is what is the height of image. So here height of object is given 1.6 centimeters. So we have to find the height of the image. There are two questions again. Once again I repeat, here there is a ball bearing and its diameter is mentioned clearly. So that is 0.4 centimeters. A candle flame is of height 1.6 centimeters, keeping at a distance of 20 centimeters from the convex mirror, and find the position of image of this candle flame formed by convex mirror. And second one is height of the candle flame, which is formed in the form of image in the convex mirror. Okay, and let us find this one by one. See, in this case, image distance, what are the given? So h naught is given. So here 2r is equal to 0.4 centimeters, r equal to 0.2 centimeters, and focal length equal to r by 2, which gives us 0.1 centimeter, because 0.2 by 2, 0.1 centimeter. So it is convex mirror, therefore sign convention is positive, its focal length taken to be positive. And object distance is taking here, object distance sign convention is minus 20 centimeters. What you are going to find? V. Again I repeating the same. So here, so question is find the position of image distance, which we are going to find. So no need to use the sign convention for this quantity, and rest of the quantities, for them we have to use the sign convention and select the relevant formula and substitute the values with proper sign conventions and simplify it, you will get answer. Now, so this is V, U is given, F is given, so object height is given, image height is to be calculated, then in this case focal length is known, object distance is known. So finally we can find simply a formula UF by U minus F. So very simple formula. So here substitute the values. U is minus 20, F is 0.1 by, this is U, how much? U minus 20 minus, so here a focal length is positive, minus 0.1, which gives minus, and minus gets cancelled. So here this is 20 into 0.1, so 2 by 20.1. So by simplifying this, you will get 0.099 centimeters. 0.099 centimeters. Okay. So this is image distance clearly. Once again we verify this one. Roughly it is of 2 by 20 roughly, and 0 is putting over here 0.1. So 1 in the sense, yeah, exactly 0.099 centimeters. This is a image distance obtained. Okay. Next, go for one more question, that is the height of the image. Height of the image, first question answer is over. For the second question, height of the image, magnification is taking that height of the image by height of the object equal to minus V by U. This is the fundamental formula. Yeah, height of the image height is to be calculated. Don't use the sign convention for it, because in the question is find the height of the image. Therefore, no need to use the sign convention for it. H naught is above the principal axis. Therefore, it is positive 1.6 centimeters, which is equal to minus. So, image distance V is actually virtual image formed in it. We are getting positive value. Therefore, as it is, we have to substitute 0.099 by object distance is minus 20. Right? So, HI is equal to, take this side, 0. So, it is roughly, so I am taking that, so rounding of this 0.1 by 0.1 by, so 20 into 1.6. So, you can simplify that 0.08 something else. If you simplify that, you will get it. So, height of the image is obtained at 0.08 centimeters. So, this is the way to solve the problem. And I was mentioned a very important point, that whenever we are using the formula to solve that problem, whatever the given, so in which the question in which the quantity is going to be calculated, for it no need to use the sign convention. The rest of the quantities for them, so we have to use the sign convention and substitute in it and simplify, you will get the proper answer. Okay, let us move on another problem. Okay. Here next problem is, there is a concave mirror whose focal length is 20 centimeters and object is keeping somewhere and its corresponding image formed whose size is double that of the size of the object. Then what will be the distance of the object? Once again I repeat, there is a concave mirror of focal length 20 centimeters where should be an object is to be kept such that the size of the image will be double that of the size of the object. So this is question. But there are two options to get the magnification, that is the size of the image is double that of the size of the object. So whenever the image formed is real, means the image formed on the same side as that of the object. In this case, size of the image may double that of the size of the object. Therefore, there is every possible to get the double size of the image comparing to size of the object. And the second option is, whenever the image formed is virtual, of course it is also magnified size, there is also possible to get the size of the image will be double that of the size of the object. Therefore, there are two positions of the object where the size of the image will be double that of the size of the object. Therefore, let us find by taking the two different cases. First one is, if the image formed is real, then when image formed is real, so real image is formed over here, as shown in the diagram, real image is formed, then its size is double that of size of the object. Therefore, here taking the sign conventions, H0 is taken to be positive and Hi is taken to be negative because it is below the principal axis. Okay. Now we have to find the object distance. Focal length already given, focal length which is equal to minus 20 centimeters because it is a concave mirror. Focal length is f is equal to minus 20 centimeter because it is a concave mirror, its focal length is negative. Okay, so let us go for magnification formula. Magnification equal to minus v by u. Okay, now m is equal to hi by h0, which is equal to minus v by v. Let us find first v value, position of the image. We don't know the position of the image and we are going to find the position of image. No need to use the sign convention for it. Okay, and object distance, object distance taken to be negative, u is negative, therefore minus u. Of course, hi is, see here, hi is negative. How much this? 2h0. Therefore minus 2h0 by h0. This is plus, minus or minus plus v by u. Therefore h0 gets cancelled from this. V is equal to minus 2u. This is the distance of image. Okay, go for mirror formula. So 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. Using sign conventions here. So image formed is real. Therefore, taking the measurements from pole to the image, again is the incident ray negative sign, object negative sign, both are negative. 1 by, here v is 2u minus 2u. Okay, minus this is 1 by u, because here negative sign taken because of u is a negative sign, that equal to concave mirror 1 by minus f. Minus 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 gets cancelled. You will get 1 by 2u plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. F is how much? 20 centimeters. Okay. Now here multiply and divide by 2 here. 2 into 1, sorry, 2 plus 1, that is 3 by 2u is equal to 1 by 22 times u. So you will get u is equal to 30 centimeters. You are getting u object distance 30 centimeters. When you are keeping the object at a distance of 30 centimeters from concave mirror, so you will get its corresponding image, which is the real, and also having the magnitude, that is magnification, so double, because its size is double that of the size of the object. So it's very clear, we can generally verify that. So focal length is 20 centimeter, focus point is at 20 centimeters, object is indirectly it is 30 centimeters obtained in the answer. 30 in the sense it is beyond the focus point. If object is keeping beyond the focus point, definitely image formed is real. Therefore, it is verified clearly. Then whatever we obtained object distance 30 centimeters, for which image size will be double that of the object size. It's verified clearly. Its corresponding distance is obtained, that u is equal to 30 centimeters. If it is 30 centimeters, why don't we get it negative sign over here? Real object. Already we substituted the sign convention over here. Therefore, no need to show here, because already sign convention is applied over here, so that positive value is obtained. If not, if you are not applied sign convention, you will get negative sign over here. That's enough. Okay. Then go for another problem. Another problem is another case is when image formed is virtual image. Then in such case, what happens here? This is concave mirror. So this is object u. So h naught and corresponding image formed over here. So this is image, and its size is 2 h naught. Of course, this is image distance, and this is virtual image formed. In this case, again go for the formula magnification. Hi by h naught is equal to minus v by u. Again, hi is positive and h naught is also positive. 2h naught by h naught, which is equal to minus. So we are going to find the image distance v. No need to use sign convention for it. V by u is, so that is minus u. So to simplify this, h naught gets cancelled, minus or minus plus, v is equal to 2u. So this is image distance we obtained. So here this is virtual image, so that from pole to the image distance measured in the direction of incident ray, that is taken to be positive. Whatever the sign convention we are expecting, so that is proved over here in the answer. Then go for object distance. How much? Using mirror formula, 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. Again using sign conventions, 1 by v. V is positive. Therefore 2u, and u is negative against the incident ray, minus 1 by u, and focal length is minus 1 by f. Of course, f is how much? 20 centimeters. Okay. Now simplifying this 2 by 2 and minus 1 by 2u remains here. So minus 1 by 20. So minus minus gets cancelled. 2 times and you will get u is equal to 10 centimeters. So when object position is at 10 centimeters, its corresponding image is formed, which is virtual and having the size double that of the size of the object. And whenever the object is keeping at a distance of 30 centimeters, which gives the real image and which has the size double that of the size of the object. Therefore, these two are the options will be there in the question. If question is asked that find position of the object, position or positions, because here the magnitude of the image is that is double. There are every chance to get the magnification is double whenever the image formed is real and also image formed virtual. And go for another question. Okay. See, here there is a concave mirror. So its focal length is 10 centimeters. And in front of this concave mirror, one more plane mirror is kept at a distance of 22.5 centimeters. Okay. Now, where should be the object is to be kept between these two mirrors, concave and the plane mirror, such that the image formed by the plane mirror and the image formed by the concave mirror both will coincide each other. Once again, so there is a concave mirror whose focal length is 10 centimeters and a plane mirror is kept at a distance of 22.5 centimeters in front of the concave mirror, and an object is to be kept at what distance the object is to be placed such that the image formed by the plane mirror and the concave mirror both will coincide each other. Right? So let us go for the image formed by the plane mirror first. We have the fundamental. That fundamental is the distance of the object equal to distance of the image we know. It's a very fundamental. We discussed a lot regarding this one and solved so many problems previously. Therefore, distance of the object equal to distance of the image. So this distance both are equal. See, what is this distance? So here let us consider x is the distance of the object from the pole. Okay, we are going to find this x value. At what distance the object is to be placed from the concave mirror. So in order to get the image formed by the plane mirror and the image formed by the concave mirror, both will coincide each other. Right? Now here this is say x and this is 22.5 centimeters. Remaining this distance is 22.5 minus x, this distance. Okay. So I want to find this distance, total 22.5 centimeters minus x. Okay. Distance of the object is how much from the plane mirror? 22.5 minus x. And distance of the image is how much? Again 22 point. Here we can show here. Anywhere both are same. 22.5 minus x. Okay. So distance of the object equal to distance of the image. Clear? Now, using this plane mirror condition, the fundamental, so we developed the distance that from plane mirror to the image formed. And by using this point, at the location of image formed by the plane mirror and image formed by the concave mirror is also formed. Therefore, so image formed by the concave mirror is at the same place. Therefore, by using this condition or by using this point, we can develop the image distance from the concave mirror, that is 22.5 minus x, from here to here 22.5. Total add up this 22.5, from here to here 22.5, and from here to here 22. Plus 22.5 minus x. So this is the image distance. Okay. So let us write all these quantities. Distance of the object is minus x, sign convention, with sign convention. Distance of the image is minus 22.5 plus 22.5 minus x. So after simplifying this, minus 45 minus x, and its focal length is given minus 10 centimeters because it is concave mirror. Therefore, using mirror formula, 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f, and substituting all these values. So we have all the values, and also taking the sign convention into account and substituting in this formula, 1 by v is minus 45 minus x, and minus 1 by x is equal to minus 1 by 10. Minus 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 gets cancelled, so you will get that 1 by 45 minus x plus 1 by x equal to 1 by 10. And simplifying this, taking LCM here, x plus 45 minus x by 45 minus x into x is equal to 1 by 10. Okay, so 45 minus x minus gets cancelled. Here 45 into 450 is equal to 45 x minus x square. Take this side, x square minus 45 x plus 450 is equal to 0. On simplifying this, you will get x minus 30 into x minus 15 equal to 0. Therefore, either x value is giving 30 centimeters, or so x value is giving my 15 centimeters. So 30 centimeter is not possible object distance from the concave mirror. Why? Because the distance between the concave mirror and the plane mirror, between these two mirrors, so total distance is 22.5 centimeters. How can you accommodate this object in between these two at a distance of 30 centimeters? Actually, it is of 22.5 centimeters, but it is 30 centimeters. So it is not permissible at all. The object can't be placed between these two plane mirrors because that much gap is not provided between these two. Actually, it is 22.5. So this is not permissible. Okay, go for x equal to 15 centimeters. Yes, it is possible because it is 22.5 centimeters. So in between these two, it is keeping at a distance of 15 centimeters, and definitely the image formed by the plane mirror and the image formed by the concave mirror, these two will coincide each other. So whenever keeping at 15 centimeters from the concave mirror, and this answer is the correct answer. This is the correct answer. Next, go for another problem. Problem number 10. Okay, let us consider a concave mirror. This is a concave mirror. Its focal length is f, and an object is kept, along the principal axis. Its length is given f by 3, object length of the object, and which is keeping along the principal axis such that its image is touch with the object. Image is touch with the object. Then find the magnification of the image formed by this concave mirror. find its magnification. Once again, there is a concave mirror of focal length f and an object of length f by 3 which is kept along the principal axis such that its image is being touched with this object. Then find the magnification. Okay, so here in the question we have to get a logic point. So under which situation we will get the image is being touched with the object. So image is touched with the object. It is possible whenever one end of this object must be at center of curvature of the concave mirror. Why? Because whenever object is keeping at center of curvature, its image is also formed at the same place. So by this condition we can easily understand that whenever image is touched with the object, whenever keeping along the principal axis, means immediately we have to pick up this point. So whenever one end of the object which exactly at the center of curvature, yes, there is a possible whenever its image formed, and for that image one end will be coincide with the end of the object. So therefore your image is being touched with the object. Therefore we are taking this corresponding images here. Okay, this is image, this is end A, this is A dash, this is again C. So here A is very close to the spherical mirror and its corresponding image is formed far away. Okay, far away, and this end is C is far away from the mirror, so its corresponding image is closer to the mirror. Why it is so? Why every time this closer point is its corresponding image formed far away, and the end point or any point which is far away from the mirror, its corresponding image formed closer to the mirror? What is the reason behind it? The reason is here real image is formed. In this case, for the real image which is inverted, which is a reverse, means closer one becomes greater distance and the point which is at greater distance which is closer. So that we should take into account this point carefully while solving the problem. Okay, right. Here let us consider this is a case 1. Case 1. In this case, so object is keeping closer and corresponding image formed far away. And case 2, if we can also take the object is somewhere here far away. This is center. So one end should be coincide with center of curvature. This is A. Its corresponding image formed will be C. This is image. This is A dash. This is C again. Its focal length is F, and the length of the object is given F by 3. So this is case 2. Yeah. Here case 1 and case 2, why we are taking these two cases? But in the problem it was not clearly mentioned. So object is closer and corresponding image formed far away. This point was not mentioned, so that only one point is mentioned here, that the image formed by this concave mirror is touched with the object when keeping along the principal axis. So there is two possibilities. So when image is touched with the object, whenever object is closer to the mirror, object is far away from the mirror. Therefore we should consider two cases. Okay, in two cases we can find the magnification. So let us find the magnification here. The magnification, to find the magnification here, so object distance from here to here, UA object distance, from this point to center to here, this is 2F. Okay, so 2F and this is UA. UA can be found. UA is equal to, so UA is equal to this end, its distance is to be calculated. UA can be calculated from 2F minus f by 3. 2f minus f by 3. Okay, if we consider sign convention, so UA is equal to minus how much? 5f by 3. This is UA. And this end, this is the object, and this end distance UC is equal to its corresponding image formed where at the same location, because object is keeping at center of curvature and its corresponding image is also formed at the same point. Therefore, UC is equal to VC. UC is the object distance. Corresponding image will also form at the same place. That equal to where at center of curvature from here to here it is minus F. Clear? Okay. So we have to find UA corresponding VA. UC corresponding VC we know. UA corresponding VA. Let us find that VA value. So VA is equal to UA into F by UA minus F. This is a formula. And put the values. UA is equal to minus 5F by 3 into focal length of concave mirror is going to be negative. Therefore, minus F by minus 5F by 3 minus of minus plus F. And simplify this. 5F square by 3 by this one by simplifying minus 2. How much? F by 3. 3 gets cancelled. So these two gets cancelled. Minus 5 by 2 F. So this is VA. Now distance of object or length of object. Length of object is already given. How much? F by 3. Length of image is how much? Image length. VC and VA. VC, VA. The difference. VC and VA. The difference is giving 5 by 2F minus 2F. Difference. Magnitude difference. Don't use sign convention over here. Directly we are taking the magnitudes. Difference is how much? 4F by 2. Okay. So length of the object is F by 3 and length of the image is F by 2. Now here this becomes negative sign. Why? Because here object length, this is image length. Why? Because we are taking in this case one point. I would like to remind this. So here UC minus UA, which is giving UC is 2F minus UA is equal to 5F by 3. How much? F by 3. And image distance is similarly VC minus VA. Same order, C to A, C to A is equal to VC. VC how much? 2F minus VA. VA corresponding 5F by 3. Just take magnitudes. So how much you are getting? F by, see here, F by 2. VA. VA is how much? 5F by 2. 5F by 2. Therefore it is 4 minus F by 2. Now magnification equal to length of image by length of object, which gives us minus F by 2 by F by 3, which gives minus 3 by 2. This is magnification. Whenever the object is keeping closer to the concave mirror, corresponding image is touch with the object, under which the magnification is this much. And in similar manner, we go for a second case. In the second case also, let us find its value. So here this is object distance from here to here. So this object distance is 2, of course. So object distance UA, this is UA. Okay. So what is UA? UA is equal to how much? UA from here to here is under 2f plus f by 3. 2f plus f by 3, of course, minus sign convention. UA is equal to minus 7f by 3. Okay. Next, UC is equal to VC, that equal to minus 2f. And next one is we have to find VA in this case. UC VC, UA VA. VA is equal to UA into F by UA minus F. Again substitute the values. So UA is equal to minus 7F by 7 F by 3 into minus F by minus 7F by 3. Here minus or minus plus F. Okay, simplify this. So VA you will get VA is equal to how much? Minus or minus plus 7F square by 3 by this one 3 minus 4F by 3. 3 gets cancelled, FF gets cancelled. You will get minus 7F by 4. Okay. So after finding this one, again go for object distance and image distance. So object length and image length. Object length L0 is we know, that is F by 3. So how do you find this? UA minus UC. L0 equal to UA minus UC. UA greater, UC smaller, therefore it is F by 3. And image distance, that equal to. So UC is greater and UA smaller. So order A to C. So VA minus VC. VA is how much? Magnitude. Just we are considering magnitude over here. Minus VC is how much? Minus, that is 2F. Don't use the sign convention over here. So 8 minus F by 4. Now magnification is equal to image length by object length, and by substituting the value minus F by 4 by minus F by 4 by F by 3. So image length is minus F by 4, object length F by 4. So by simplifying this, you will get minus 3 by 4. Minus 3 by 4. This is the magnification in the second case. So magnification in the first case minus 3 by 2. Magnification in the second case minus 3 by 4. Why we are getting this proper sign convention after solving this problem? So it is quite matched with whatever the fundamentals so far we are giving. The fundamental is, it is a real image. For real image always, so its magnification is taken to be positive. For virtual image, its magnification taken to be, for real image, its magnification is considered to be negative, and for virtual image, it is positive. So in this case, in both the cases, so we obtained the real images. So if it is real image, definitely magnification negative here negative. Okay? Right. So let us move on in the problem. 10 problems over. Next, we go for another variety of problems.